Welcome back to Love What You Drive. In today's video, the toolbox is not out. There's a package in front of me from Amazon. This will be a unboxing video, a quick unboxing, quick 2 cents of my opinion review. And after this, there will be a video on installation of the product and also a more extensive research or more extensive opinion on the matter of this product. Now let's get to opening it and here we have it. Shout out to Panzer platform. Chuck, thank you so much for the review you've done, I believe a couple of years ago on this product. This is why I have it in my hand, because of people like Chuck and the YouTube channel Panzer platform. I reached out to him and I asked him, how long have you had these lights on? How long have they been working? Because in my other cars, just LED lights in general, you buy them for these amazing prices on Amazon or eBay or wherever that is, and you end up finding out really quickly the cheap quality of it, the fastness of them burning out. But I reached out to Chuck and this is the one he said that he tested. He had it on for over 6 months and that he was happy with this purchase. So I will put his link to his channel and maybe more extensive research on his 2 cents or point of view on this product. But I wanted to try it for myself because it's coming from someone who's already bought them, used them, and is happy with it. So we see in front of me here, in front of us, Beamtech H13 LED bulbs. Like again, I'm gonna just read off of the Amazon store. Beamtech H13 LED bulb, S1 series, 8000 LM, 500 watt quiet no fan, CSP chips, conversion kit fanless, cool white all-in-one plug and play halogen replacement. I'm gonna go ahead and just open it up and the price point on this is $38.99. There is an 8% coupon that you can apply. So I think I paid somewhere around 35 bucks for this, and it was a next day delivery. Let's see what's in the box. So you get this little baggie with a hex wrench, this Allen wrench. Then you get the instruction manual, and it just tells you frequently asked questions, specs. This is a 6500K, 30,000 hours of operation, the installation of the different bulbs, and just the different attachments that it comes. So I'm gonna give it a try. Fanless, I've never had anything like so. This will be going on my 2006 Mercury Grand Marquis. Right now I just have the stock halogen lights, which are kind of dim. Looking for some bright lights, and I thought, why, this would be a wonderful time to buy some lights, test them out, and give my 2 cents, my opinion on it. So this is what comes inside the box. These feel very nice and heavy. They feel solid. They look cool. I've never run into a LED bulb like that, besides the little ones that will go into your license plate or dome lights or map lights, something like that in the car. But with also these, I will be reviewing them as also installing them and seeing how they perform. I will do the stock test, comparing them to the stock halogen bulb. I will also then put these in, and I will also compare it to another bulb that I bought that had really good reviews on Amazon, and the price point was pretty much the same with the coupon. The other one was at $35. I'm gonna show you them really quick so we just have a side-by-side comparison. So the other one was this TorchBeam LED lighting kit. Let me just take it out. Also for the Mercury Grand Marquis. This one comes with gloves and zip ties, instruction manual. Okay, here we go. Wow, what a size difference. As you can see, the Beamtech right here on the right is fanless, but the TorchBeam light has a fan. Look at that. It's like one of those fans you find on the inside of a computer. So I'm curious to see how these will perform compared to the stock. I'm sure they're going to be brighter. I'm sure they're going to be a lot brighter and a lot cooler looking. And then I will give my 2 cents in, and I will put them on the car. We'll see the pattern, the point, the beam, all that stuff. And I might not get into the details of the science behind it, but I will give you an honest opinion on these and see how both of these perform. So there you have it. So we've got these Beamtech lights. And TorchBeam, and now we got these Beamtech. So this will be one of the next videos for the channel. Stay tuned for the installation, the process, the test, and I'm gonna see, maybe I will do a giveaway. I'm leaning towards a giveaway of one of these lights. So if you have a Panther platform, Mercury, probably Crown Vic, I'm not sure if the Lincoln is also with the same lights. I'll do some research. Thank you. We'll see you in the next one.